Numerical integration. What is numerical integration? Numerical integration consists of trapezoidal rule and sem2 rule. Actually, if given this formula, if we can't find the answer for this one, the integration of f(x), we can use this numerical integration to use approximate value for this equation, the same equation, to obtain the appropriate area. So let us now look at the trapezoidal rule. Why is it called the trapezoidal rule? Because it makes use of a formula of a trapezium. As you can formula trapezium. As you can see, this when you turn it like this, look like a trapezium, right? Okay. And by using this formula, b minus a, where b and a is the limit, we can find the height of the trapezium. So if you do like this, you can find the height of the trapezium, and you can find each area of the trapezium, and we can add all the trapezium together and find the total area under the graph. So the formula to be used is this one. Okay, now let us look at example 1. When you are given this equation, simply just let fx equal to this equation inside, and y is equal to fx, and given that there is 4 strips, so n is equal to 4, and use the formula b minus a over the number of strips, we can get 0.25, meaning that each strip consists of 0.25, and the limit is from 0 to 1, and therefore there is 4 strips, and each it starts from 0 to 0.25 is the first strip, and 0.25 to 0.5 is the second strip, 0.5 to 0.725, and 0.725 to 1. You can start the x equal to this 0 value into this formula to calculate the value of the answer of fx, and we can sub it to every one of it. And simply by using the formula of trapezium rule, we can sub in the h over 2 plus the first number and the last number, and plus 2 times all the sum of the remaining number, and we can get the answer. This is example 1. Now we will proceed to tutorial 4 of question 1. This is the question, and it says that the n there's 6 number of strips. So that you can see this is the formula. This is the question, n number of strips. Okay. And by using the h equal to b minus a over n, number of strips, we can find the height of each trapezium, which is 0.5. And we can draw a table. 0.5 here, 0.5, 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, and 3. Because the limits consist of 0 to 3. Therefore, the range is from 0 to 3. And this is, we can start x equal to each one of these inside this fx. Then we can find the value of each x. Hence, using the trapezium rule, we can start 1 over the height over 2, which is 0.5 over 2. Bracket times the sum of the first number and the last number. The sum of the first number and the last number, and plus 2 times the sum of the remaining number, which is in this case 19.5, 11.2, 5.9, 2.8, and 1.4. And by working out this equation, we can find the answer of 28.55. Finish.